Exercise 13.1 Measures. We are starting Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 2. First example. This recipe makes 10 biscuits. We need 100 gram flour, 50 gram sugar, 50 gram butter. Okay, this is for 10 biscuits. How much of each would you need if you wanted to make 5 biscuits? So this is for 10 biscuits. If you want to make 5 biscuits, it means it will become half. So here is 5 is half of 10. So we need to halve the amount of flour, sugar and butter. Therefore, we can write here need 50 gram flour, 25 gram sugar and 25 gram butter. Why? Because 100, once we make half, we will get 50. 50, once we divide by 2 or make half, we will get 25. Same, again 50 divide by 2, we will get 25. Okay, so for 5 biscuits, we need 50 grams of flour, 25 grams of sugar and 25 grams of butter. So this is example, but now we will try to solve this one. Here the recipe for 12 chocolate chip cookies is 100 grams flour, 40 gram butter, 30 gram sugar and 20 grams chocolate chips. This is for 12 chip. How much of each would you need if you wanted to make 6 biscuit? So 6 is a half of 12, right? 12, once you make half, it will become 6. So 100 half means 50, 40 half it will be 20, 30 half it will be 15 and 20 once we make half it will be 10. So one by one we can write. So here is 50 gram flour, butter will be 20 gram, sugar it will be 15 gram and chocolate chip need 10 gram. Very simple. Question 2 we will not discuss because here is mentioned estimate and record the mass of 4 objects in your classroom. Use weighing scale and record in the table below. So actually it depends on your teacher. If he want, he can solve this one. It's just estimate. Suppose if you take a product and thinking what is the weighing mass, more or less 100 gram, better we can solve this one. Like we can take like a biscuit or cookies. We think estimate weight 10 gram, but once we measure it become 50 gram. So more or less than 100, it's a less. Then we can take pen, estimate it's a 5 gram, but once we make a measure it's become 15 gram, so it's a less. We take a book, we think this is 100 gram, but after measure it's become 150 gram, so it's a more than 100 grams, so we can say it's a more. And we can take another product like lighter, or we can say what can we say, we can say ice cream. Okay, so we think this is a 50 gram, but after measure it's a 80 gram and this is a less than 100 gram. Okay, so it's not a accurate thing. You can discuss with your teacher or friends, and then you can take some product and then measure and then justify is it more or less than 100 grams. So number 2 done. Number 3, work with a partner. You will need balance scale. Use the weight on your table, estimate, and then find two weights that equal 1 kilogram. So look, we can say 500 gram plus 500 gram, it's a 1 kilogram, right? So we can say this one is a 500 gram, or if you want, you can also write half kg plus half kg. This one also 1 kilogram, because we know half plus half, it will be what? It will be 1. So we can write this one is a 500 gram plus 500 gram, and then together it's a 1 kilogram. Now find 3 weights that equals to 20 grams. So lots of way we can solve this one, like 10 gram and then 5 gram and again 5 gram, it's a 20 gram, and 4 weight that equals to 20 gram. So lots of way you can solve this one, like suppose 6 gram, then 4 gram, and then 5 gram, and again 5 gram, it's a 20 gram. So this is up to you. So number 3 done. Number 4, we want to skip this one because you should discuss with your teacher that your school it will continue or not. Now we will discuss number 5. This is very important. Number 5, here we are going to discuss about temperature. Weather maps show temperature as a number. The number means the temperature in degrees Celsius, which is denoted by like this, like 5 degrees centigrade, or we can say 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, write the missing temperature in the box. So here is port 4, and this mark, red mark, is just 15. So we can say this one is the 15 degree Celsius. Evans Valley here is in 8. So we can say this one is a 8 degrees Celsius, right? And then what we can say, Michelle is already mentioned 10 degrees Celsius, Cambridge 26 degrees Celsius, and Wilson 20 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find out our answer. Draw a ring around the correct word in each sentence. Evans Valley is cooler or warmer than Cambridge. So look, less temperature is cooler, right? And more, it's what? Warmer. And till more, it means more plus, it will be hot. But here we will compare which one is cooler and warmer, each other state or city. So here is Evans Valley 8 degrees centigrade, and Cambridge 26. So Evans Valley is cooler or warmer? It should be cooler, right? We can mark like this way. It's a cooler than Cambridge, because Cambridge temperature is higher than Evans Valley. Now Cambridge is a cooler or warmer than Portford. Portford temperature is 15 degrees Celsius and Cambridge 26, so it's a warmer. Okay, now higher temperature mean it's a warmer, lower temperature mean cooler. We already discussed this one. Write one other thing that you can see about the temperature on the map. So what's our observation? Our observation here, among the city, among the city, warmer temperature is what? Cambridge, right? Which is 26 degrees Celsius. So no more today. We already complete exercise 13.1. Next video we will start 13.2, which is capacity. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.